Man, man, Pandas. Go on, Pandas. What up the stream? I'm glad that you guys can join. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Sorry if the audio quality is a little bit crazy today. I'm very sorry about that, but it is what it is. Good morning, everybody. Today, we're going to be focused on our take profit accounts here. Uh, you gotta reload. You gotta reload with Apex. Jeez Louise. It's about to open in like 2.5 minutes. I mean, I'm thinking we're at least gonna test the previous day's close here. Probably go in and out of it until FOMC. Thought about cranking it here. The second entry long. So I'll pop up. Testing the previous day's close. Wedge top here. What's we talking about here? Need at least 10 to make it worth it. Reversing uncomfortably hard here. Very uncomfortably hard reversing. Those GMs in the chat. Let's get that like button if you haven't already. Helps out this channel a lot. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Happy FOMC day. It's gonna be a big one today too. Big FOMC day. When I say big, I mean big. The biggest you've ever seen. Fed funds rate as well. They're gonna announce a quarter point rate cut, and it's gonna just be rocket fuel for the market. Absolute rocket fuel here. We're gonna open 10 seconds here. We got TPT accounts. Let's get it. I'll 500. I'll take it. I'll take my quick 500. Why not? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Drop those GMs in the chat. If you're just joining, make sure you scalp that like button. Holy! Very interesting. I mean, the market's already. Well, if you look at this price action, we're pretty much stuck within the overnight range. Okay, feels like I just short. Come here for a trend line. Give me a second entry long, and I think I'll like the long trade here. Why not? Get back to the top of a potential trading range. Goes back to 20 May. Big bear bar, ending on its low. This is wacky. It's just gonna hug the previous day's close all day today. So it feels like, at least. I mean, can I even take this trade? Yeah, look at that. Starting to turn trading range. Starting to turn trading range here. I mean, if we're gonna make a trading range, I guess this would be it. If we had to make one, you know what I mean? Look at this, 4 complete 11 bars in a row. No, thank you. Just sitting on my pause here. Good morning, everybody. The regular trading hours, we filled the gap on the regular trading hours. We're kind of just stuck in that last bar yesterday. This is wacky. Too many overlapping bars in a row. Sitting on my pause. It looks like it's supposed to push up. This also looks choppy. So what do I do here? Sit on my pause. That's what I do. Feels like I entered long, but still choppy. Hard to say what's going to happen here. We got like 7 bars overlapping. Still within our first 5-minute candle. And we still haven't finished our first 5-minute candle yet. So let's just wait for that to finish. It's also FOMC day, so I mean, honestly, expect shenanigans until FOMC. Usually choppy until after FOMC. Mhm. I'm going up, up, up. This is our moment. We know together we'll be. Wow. Multiple bear bars in a row. What once was a trading range is now showing a bear trend. Oh, should I just try this? I think it's a silly trade. I could try. I don't know. It's silly. Whatever. I'll try. So it's a buy low, sell high in this situation. We're triggering Big Mama here. Give me a nice little drip to the downside here. It'd be great. Yikes! That's not good. Should buy low, sell high in this situation. And I mean, we triggered Big Mama. I'm gonna try a little bit here. First reversal. Can we get a bounce? Can this just be a small pullback? All right, let's try. At a certain point in time, you gotta give up, right? Certain point in time, you gotta give up. Whoa, okay, got a nice little push. I can grab my order. Yikes. Couldn't get much. Couldn't get much. Ah, darn it. I tried to come up break even, but I'm gonna miss the move now, I think. I got a little too conservative there, trying to come up break even. We might bounce here, I don't know, but the 5 minute candles are just huge bear bars right now. You gotta let it like cool down before going long, in my opinion. You gotta let it cool down just a little thing a bit, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, Kenneth? That would've been a good trade too. Buy low, sell high, and scalp. That's the idea right now. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, you know the market is going to you know they're going to lower interest rates. So you're expecting it to be rocket fuel for the market. Essentially quantitative easing. Okay. Big bear bars on the 5 minute chart. Jeez Louise. Like, big old bear bars. We may fill the gap on the regular trading hours. Right. We have a gap down here, regular trading hours. Big one here. We may fill the gap here. Easily can fill the gap. It may want to fill the gap before rocketing off. Could just be a strong bear trend day today. Sure, why not? I'm currently going to actually trade this as a trading range though, because the price action looks like a trading range price action. It looks like trading range price action, right? Big up, big down, right? Big up, big down, right? Big down, big up, big down, big up, big down. I'm thinking trading range. So I'm gonna try buy low, sell high scalp. That's I'm gonna try here, but I need a higher low or something here. I need a higher low or something here to feel a little bit confident. And I'm just gonna scalp, right? Scalp 10 points essentially. So get your short forming here. Okay, makes a new low. Fair enough. One time, Panda is back. One time. Well, it could just be a strong downtrend. I mean, I don't know, maybe. You gotta trade what's in front of you. I'm currently trading range price action, but, but, I mean, who knows? Anything can happen. 50-50 chance this reverses back up. 50-50 chance this reverses back up. Take on a higher low or some fails I got you short. I would like a setup to go long if it does reverse. I'd like to see some evidence reversing before I actually try to reverse it. Or it could simply just be like just strong downtrend day today. But after in the opening, we can get a strong reversal. 50-50 chance. 50-50 chance strong reversal. Maybe test the overnight lows. I mean, look at the price action currently. It's super choppy. By the way, we're trading TPT accounts today. We're gonna trade TPT today. Try to make as much money as we possibly can. Like seriously, trying to make like $10,000. Why not? Why not us? One time. What? This is what I'm talking about. This can reverse here. 50-50 chance it reverses up at the opening. But the price action here is telling me like feels like a trading range. Right here it looks like a strong bear trend. Hmm. Let me sell my strong push above the 20 EMA to at least go long. Higher low here. Could just be saying self for a second to short. Wow, can I trade for you during Fed rate decision? Sorry. Well, it's not because I don't trust you. I just think you're a terrible trader. That's the reason why I don't want you to do it. It's not that I don't trust you. I trust you. Just like I trust my wife. I trust her. But I would, but I would never let her, I would never let her trade for me. All right. We just keep pushing down. Like this could just be a strong push down. Like no longer thinking it's going to reverse. We could test overnight lows here. We have a gap on the regular trading hours. I'm going to mark it here. And so we're going to have it marked across multiple. Actually, so 24,347. That's your gap. 24,347. That's your gap. We're going to paste it across all our charts here. Okay, maybe bounce here. 50-50 chance still. Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's the plan. All right, first entry. What you gonna do here? Market, I'm waiting for you. Your move, market. Why would you hurt me like that? I'm just joking. So, to be honest, I have no idea how you trade. Wow, I don't know how well you trade. I hope you're trading well. Hope you've been getting some bamboo. The thing is, everybody knows how well I'm trading. You just jump on the stream, you can see how well I'm doing. Everyone knows how good of a trader I am just by watching. Let me show you. Get on TeamViewer. You know what? Join the Discord. We'll do something. Maybe we can have YL join the stream. Second to short, maybe. Big down, big up. Start to create trading range price action, but clearly beneath the 20 MA. Clearly beneath the 20 MA here. I mean, buy low, sell high, scalp. That's the idea, but we'll try this instead. Second to short off the 20 MA, and just huge downtrend. Thinking Tesla overnight lows, but we shall see. One contract. Let's see what happens here. Oh, hello. Spike down. It tried to test overnight lows, but because of the trading range price action, people are buying it here. It's trying to test the overnight lows. It really is trying. I don't like a reversal here. Come on, break even. I don't like a reversal here. If it reverses here, it could be a strong reversal back up. It could be a really strong reversal back up because people are buying low, sell high, scalping. So it can reverse very strong here. We got close to the overnight lows, but we're showing signs of reversal now. So I had some bamboo. I had 10 points, a little over 10 points, but it's not good. I wanted the target here. I wanted the previous overnight lows. I wanted the overnight lows, pandas. That's what I wanted. Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's the plan right now. I think most people are trading that way. Yeah, I think most people are trading that way, in my opinion, but we'll see. Kate says, good morning, I'd watch that. Should I just get like random viewers to join my stream? I gotta get Peter Abigaris. I need to join the stream. It's a win-win, right? If he sucks, then it's a win for us, entertainment. If he's great, then win for us. We can copy his trades. It's a win-win situation if you ask me. Okay. I'm looking for a reversal here. It's just I was looking for a reversal for a while now, and we might get one here. I need it though to be. I'll just try one contract here. I don't care. So bull bar on high. Question is, are we gonna actually get our setup here? I have a strange feeling we will not. We're just gonna start flying up. Okay. Being patient. Patience pays. Just being patient. Very patient here. Being super duper patient here. I need a micro double bottom at least for me to just jump in here. Not even a micro double bottom. But you see it gets bottomed right here. Ah! Reversal setting up. Do I just want to jump in long here anywhere, everywhere? A lot of traders obviously are finding confidence in just going long right here. Like I said, I didn't want to. Oh, just breaks out here. Crazy. The previous day's low just breaks out straight to it. Creates this massive bull bar and just reverses immediately. Crazy, crazy, crazy price action. Pandas, don't forget FOMC Wednesday. 2 o'clock FOMC day. It's going to be absolutely insane, in my opinion. Oh, nice. Feels like it's a short, but too close. Too far away from 20 May. Too close to resistance here. Good signal bar, though. Small one, too. Just holding. Or not holding, I'm just waiting. It's not a setup I particularly like. Not like this, at least. It's like entry long. Could be better. I'll enter second entry long, whatever. I like the fact that we bounced off this area, though. I don't like that. Buy low, sell high, scalp. Hmm. I think we're just confused more than anything. I don't know. Let me get off at least a support here if I'm gonna try this. If it does pop up, it pops up. I want to come off at least support here. I'm eager to go long, but I'm okay. I'm fine waiting here. I was eager to go long, but it's just ugly. Far away from 20 MA. Second entry long. It is second entry long, so I mean, it is what it is. It does pop up strong. Not the best setup. Not the setup I was really looking for, but it is a second entry long. It's just not really. Not really. Ah, look at that pop up. Look at, like I said, 50-50 chance it reverses. And guess what? It reversed. Even after one, two, three strong bear bars in a row, now we're reversing. So sick. And the reason why I started saying this because we started having trading range price action, right? Big up, big down. And we didn't even get to test overnight lows. We didn't even get there. We got close. We didn't even get there, Pandas. It is what it is. 36 point move. Incredible move. And then have an entry. I wish we got the trap in this area right here. If we got the trap here, then I would have been in all of this. I'd be running it still, probably. Sick. Sick move. Alberamo, good morning. Hey, Scott that like button, everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat. It is what it is. Little second entry long for me here, but this time, I mean, we are an uptrend, and I'm going to treat it like so, because until we get close to the top of the trading range, I don't mind treating this like an uptrend until we get there. First bounce off the 20 man. Let's see. Look at this monster here. Strong bull bar on high just gets folded. So sick. Ooh, strong bear bar on's low. Second entry long here. Ah, toughy, toughy, toughy. I mean, I'm going long. Thoughts and prayers here, pandas. Thoughts and prayer mundos. It's technically two key areas, right? Breakout, retest, and 20 EMA. Technically two key areas. Still counts. I need a one-to-one bare minimum. And then we can start looking for some shorts. Good bull bar. Give me a new high at least. Bare minimum, new high. Bare minimum, new high. Good signal bar. Okay, new high created. Bare minimum is needed. Right, because now we got higher highs and higher lows. Why is this line so thick? Okay. I was trying to run it, but I'm just gonna take off the first reversal. Probably test the close. Yesterday's close. I'll take on the first, take it out the first reversal. Big push up. I think I got the most value out of that trade. First reversal is the correct move because once it reversed, smash to the downside. Smash into the downside here. Hmm. It's getting tricky. Tricky dicky. Yeah, now we get big up, big down, big up, big down, and this down breaks this pivot low. So we have all ingredients of a trading range. Or uptrend, pullback, breaks the high, and breaks the low. Like this is all the ingredients of a trading range, which I will start trading soon. Question is, where's the low of the trading range? It really depends. There's a trading range here. We're gonna trade it like so. So buy low, sell high, scalp. Buy low, sell high, scalp. Favorite animals. Wow, big push down. Buy low, sell high, scalp. It almost seems bearish. Forget the trading range. It almost seems bearish. Yeah. Look at that. That's crazy. It looks bearish now. Mm-hmm. Buy low, sell high, scalp, but it ain't working right now. It ain't working. It ain't working for sure. I think we got more pushed out to the previous days or the overnight lows. Overnight lows right here. I think we got enough juice to get down there. Let's try it. Feels like entry long. All right, Pandas. Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayer Mondos. Here we go. I thought we had something special going on there. I thought we had something special. Guess not. Nothing special. I thought we had something special here. It doesn't look like to be the case. I thought we had something really special here, but it does not look like to be the case at all, Pandas. It does not look like to be the case for 1 millisecond here that we stumbled upon something special. If anything, it's the opposite. It's a disaster here. Ah, I got out one contract. Might as well hold. Hold. Okay. 3 contracts. I'll take it. I'll take it 3. If we can get all the way down here with 3 and have a runner, that'd be delicious. So, okay. Pandas. Did we find the trade of the day? Is this it? Is this the one? Big push down here. Don't want any reversals. Whoa. Be strong push down. Now move myself to break even at the new stop loss. The new stop loss will be up here. We're in. New stop loss right here. The break even. 6 contracts though. Wow, what a trade, Pandas. What a massive trade that was. We're still in a runner here as well. We still got a beautiful runner going on. On the first reversal, I'm out. First reversal, I'm out. Alright, we're out. Pandas, we're up 2,000. I'll take it. I'll take it. We did something special, Pandas. We actually did do it. How beautiful was that trade? We made a new low day, and we're testing the overnight lows. And the reason here now is that the problem like it may not come back up is because we didn't get to the top of the trading range at all. We're making lower lows, now lower, sorry. We're making lower highs and now lower lows with this one. So now it's kind of like, do I trade this as a trading range? Or am I looking at that the market was giving us some signals that we were going to go to the downside here? Jeez Louise, this is tough. Should I look for a reversal here at the overnight lows? Let's just say if we get a reversal setup, maybe look at this. Perfect hit. It's a perfect hit off this trend line. Are we reversing up is a question. All right. I mean, if it's a strong bull bars, then we potentially could have a big reversal here. The 5 minute chart simply is just two pushes down from yesterday's price action, right? One push down, another push down. That's all it is. It's a two-legged move. I mean, this has like written all over it that it wants to fill this gap, in my opinion. That's my opinion, though. Yeah, remember, there's no limit to how much money we can make today. No limit, baby. It's because we're trading TPT accounts, and if you don't know TPT accounts, zero consistency rules with the funded accounts. Zero pandas. Can you imagine zero consistency rules? The only thing you really can't do is trade news. And it's very easy, right? They tell you which news you can't trade, and it's just 1 minute before and 1 minute after. You can't be in a trade. Simple as that. You know what I mean, Pandas? Simple as that. Feels like a short could be interesting here. I just don't know. I'm just not entirely certain here. Feels like a short could be an interesting trade. I'll try it. I wouldn't full send it here. I'll just try 2 contracts. Bob Stocks, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Drop those GMs in the chat if you haven't already. Problem is we are in a downtrend, but we just bounced off the previous, like the overnight lows. Potentially a big reversal here, but I don't know. For the runner. All right. Okay, we broke that pivot well. Interesting. Come back up. Risk is not too big, but really good reward here potentially. Just for a big old trading rangey days. Okay, big pop up. Not much to it after that. Is that it? Is that all you're gonna give me? I need more than that, you know what I mean? I need way more than that to make this worth it. Yikes. Good break even. I don't like what I see here. I don't like what I see. I don't like what I see. Yikes. Got some disparity between my accounts here. Okay. He's trying to show trading range price action here again. Wacky, right? But right. Uptrend, break a trend, new high, new low. Lower high, lower low. If we broke this trend here, or this pivot, then we broke this pivot low. So we have a trading range currently. Yikes. The cojones is a trade it purely as a trading range. Buy low, sell high, scalp is a question. Do I have the cojones to do it? Do I have the cojones to do it? I don't know if I do. Okay. Hmm. Trading range price action looking terrible. Looking quite terrible, but maybe we can take advantage of this because we see it is starting to look pretty terrible here. Perhaps we can take advantage of it. We'll see. Buy low, sell high, scalp. But look at your range here. I mean, you're talking about more than 10 points. I could try. I could try one or two scalps here. Let's see. I mean, it is turned to pure trading range price action right now. So it's not the worst place to try attempt what I'm trying to attempt here. High or low. Mm. Low sell high scalp and wide stop scaling. That's the way to do it today, at least right now. Second edge is short. Hmm. Hmm. We'll full send if we get a fail second entry long here. Goodness gracious, I'll full send it. Got two here though. For the sake of the second entry short on the 2500 tick chart. Second entry short. We'll see. Also, it'll also trigger the OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. We're in. We're gonna rock and roll here, or we're gonna get rock and rolled. Are we gonna rock and roll or get rock and rolled? Let's everybody get rock and rolled. Trading range price action. Maybe I should have, buy low, sell high scalp. I mean, that's the way to do it. I made a mistake, I think. But I also like the fact that we made this OI pattern on a downtrend. And I want to try to take advantage of the fact that we're at least with trend here on this OI pattern. Setup is easy here, right? You just sell at the break of the bottom, come out at the break of the top. It's that easy. And if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Simple as that. No if, thens, and buts. You know what I mean? Buy low, sell high scalp seems the way to go right here, to be honest. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. I mean, technically, I should be selling up here. It's a very painful thing to do, but technically I should be selling here, not buying. It's a very painful thing to do, but that's technically what I should be doing. The only problem is I'm already 4 contracts deep, so I do not want to trade bigger than that. Not necessarily, not here. But the way to trade this correctly is actually to go short here. We're in this. We're in this to win this. Oh my gosh, what did I just do? What did I just do here? Alright, feels like inch long. We're gonna get absolutely crushed here now. I think this is the setup. I'll try. I'll keep this. I'm at 6 contracts. Okay, this is right. Doesn't work out, doesn't work out. It is what it is. Most likely not work out here. And I was right in my assessment that this is starting to turn to a trading. I should have bought low, scalped. You know what I mean? I was calling it early on, but I just saw the setup on the higher time frames and we got a little too carried away there. Yeah. This is an OI pattern. I saw the second entry short on the 2500 tick chart. I thought those two things combined with trend could really push us down here, propel us to the downside. But apparently I was wrong. It's gonna take me out here. It's not the worst trade in the world, but it hurts. It sucks. It sucks. I mean, I'm gonna full send it here. I'm full sending it if we do get a fail second entry long here. I'm full sending it. Problem is now it's like it's gonna take a long time. That's annoying, Pandas. Triple trappy trap. Mm-hmm. Feels like I just short. Not interested here. Not like this. Still trading range. Man, that's a big one too. Sucks. Sucks, sucks, sucks. I just had so much going on for that trade, but I guess at the end my assessment was correct. Or my first assessment was correct. Just trading range, pure trading range. The higher time frames actually betrayed me there. Because the higher time frames show a bearishness. And I just kind of went, I cranked it a little. Look at this. That's what I was saying. The correct move here is to sell up here. But I ended up stopping out because I just completely botched that. Completely botched this whole thing. Buy low, sell high scalp. That's all this is right now. Uh, I said I'll do it. I said I'll do it. It's dumb, but I'll try. Whatever. It's dumb, but I'll try. Still trading range here. Pure trading range, in fact. But I said I'll full send if we get a fail second trade long. But do I want it with the outside bar reversal? This far away from 20 MA? I already lost this setup. Yeah. I don't want the outside bar reversal, even though I feel like we can break out now. Strong chance to break out here. Also high scalp. That's what we're still doing here. Feels like entry long. Combined with that, yeah, maybe I'll try, but yeah, we're breaking down. I'm starting to break down now. Darn it. I want the full send it here, but just not the perfect setup. Not the perfect setup I wanted. Can you blame me for skipping that? It's an outside bar reversal. Then we got a O I outside or inside or outside down. Goodness, can't speak. Outside bar. And it's already kind of betraying you. Disgusting. Absolutely filthy. Buy those high scalp. People buy here. Now they're kind of break even, right? When they buy here and they buy here again, break even. Semi tilted. Don't be mad at me, please. Just thoughts and prayers right now. That's all I need. I don't need your judgment. I need your thoughts and prayers. Panos. That's what I need right now. Your thoughts and prayers. Full send. Buy those on high scalp. That's what they're doing. They're winning. Anyone who's doing that. Amazing traders if you're buying low, selling high. Scalping. You're an amazing trader right now if you're doing that. Absolutely amazing trader if you're doing that right now. Full send. Oh, crazy price tag. Full send. Here we go, Panos. Could be a double bottom off of the overnight lows. Could be double bottom as well. Whoa, look at that move. Definitely no longer full sending in here. Interesting. Just have a pause. Buying low, selling high, scalping. That's the way to win right now. So sick. Potential double bottom here. Right, potential double bottom here, so this could fly. Right, double bottom here, triple bottom actually. Now it is. What a move. What a move. What a move, pandas. Obviously going sideways now. Obviously. So obvi. If I had a chance to full send it, would I here? If I had a chance to full send it, would I do it right here? Is the question. to go short. I will not. I need like a second entry. I need a second entry of some sort. Second entry short, maybe. Good enough for me. Okay, fair enough. Only issue is a trading range here. That's the main issue. We rate this low, we lose our setup. Simple as that. We break this low, we lose our setup. Bear bar here could just trigger bears just crashing in now. It's flooding in bears here. This bear bar here could give them the confirmation to go short. Like just how I feel, right? I need some confirmation. If I see another bear bar there, I'm like, all right, even more reason just to sell right now. What in the world is happening? It's a question. It's a question. I won't full send it. I want to wait for my setup. I don't care what happens here. I need a second to short bare minimum. I don't full send it. Like I need a second to short here, bare minimum here. It's not gonna give it to me. I might as well just like scalp a little bit here. I do that. What's actually happening here? I have no clue. Bear bar ending there is low on the 5 minute chart. I think that's gonna be the bear signal to get in. This bear bar is gonna be their signal to jump in here. It's gonna happen soon. It's gonna crash soon. Should I just build a position? Should I start my position now to go short? Start building it up slowly. Waiting for the breakdown. Just start a position here. Always in short. It's a little day so far. Bears are gonna have the green light soon. If they haven't already. Be low created. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bear bars in a row. 11 bear bars in a row. You're just chilling here going short. In my opinion, just chilling, going short here all day, every day. Just chilling, going short here, in my opinion. Always in short, probably in the 5 minute after this bar. Right. Always in short on the 5 minute. If this is a strong bear bar, probably always in short. Let's take on the next reversal. Just take out the next reversal. That's my game plan. Try to squeeze as much out of this as I can. Just next reversal, I'm out. I'm out. Squeeze as much as I possibly could have. That trade. Keeps making new lows every single time. All right. Try to squeeze water out of a rock right there. I'm kind of late in trend, so I kind of want to just get out. 5 minute cream wedge bottom now, right? One, two, three pushes down. I personally don't know how to trade wedge bottoms. Like I don't see like I just don't see it well. I don't necessarily feel like I see what I have to see here. These wedge bottoms. Always in short. Kind of what I thought was gonna happen. Going always in short here. Okay. Strange. And completely sideways. Okay. Could be wedge bottom. People trying to scalp the wedge bottom at least. Bare minimum trying to scalp the wedge bottom here. Problem is the wedge bottom's happening in midair. I don't see it. Just don't see it. Regardless of what's happening. Like the 5 minute creating a wedge bottom here, they're scalping at least. That wedge bottom. The problem is I don't see the support it's on. Just don't see it. It's really I just don't see it. I don't see the support it's on bounce. Like the wedge bottom is nice when you have a good support to bounce off of, but I don't see it. This channel working for us. If you're trying short. Yeah. Now we are at our channel. We're gonna do something here. Is a question. We're going to do something here is the question. Okay. Okay. The wedge bottom's coming to fruition. Three pushes down. We got a perfect reversal here. Really strong reversal. I'm seeing it. I don't know. Can I trade accordingly? So probably not. What am I trying to do here on the wedge bottom? Just go long on a strong bull bar. Wait, the 5 minute, if it's a strong bull bar, just go long. I mean, how many times has that failed? I feel like it's a low probability trade. Low probability, but good risk reward, right? Because you're talking about big reversal here. I mean, we're kind of down here already. Might as well try to fill the gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bull bars in a row. Jeez Louise. Don't forget, Panis, today's FOMC day. Use code BBM. I think today is a good day to full send on your evals to get funded in one single trade. Just wait for 2 o'clock, right? Wait for like 1:50 p.m. Full send it, 20 accounts. You're ready to go. Look at this. All right, if you're in a big reversal, is that what you want to see? Not really. If you're going long, 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 and you see this, two bear bars any near their lows, that's the last thing you want to see, to be honest. Hmm. 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 Well, amazing grace for us. We're gonna need it. We're gonna need it here. I mean, honestly, I mean, the market's moving, so we're trading. But it's probably gonna move even more after FOMC. That's the thing, right? Like you kind of want to have enough powder in keg in order to trade post FOMC so you can capture some huge moves potentially here. Okay, big push down. I mean, like wedge bottoms, I just don't get it. Like it is a wedge bottom, but no follow through. I don't get it. I don't really know how to trade wedge bottoms. Brooks swears by them, but I just don't see them. I just don't see it. I don't see how to trade big up, big down. Could be trading range here. Who knows? Mm. Might be streaming FOMC? Nah, nah. I usually don't. Big up, big down. I mean, what else can you say other than that? Most likely trading range starting to form here a little bit. Make a new low day. Just pop beneath it, but we got this big up, big down, and we're late in trend. So I'm thinking possible trading range here. Alexander says, why you say what is this PA when it's always the same? What do you mean? Okay. Big up, big down. Now it's turn to start to turn trading range. 80% of the time, the price action is pretty terrible. 10% of the time, it's amazing. And then the other 10% of the time, it's kind of like, it's kind of amazing, kind of not. You know what I mean? But 80% of the time, it's pretty terrible. Show you the forbidden jitsu. Hey, I don't know. Might be members only. Maybe I'll join. Maybe I'll make a stream for members only. I'll show the forbidden jitsu. Only for members only, though. Only pans. That's what I call them. Only pandas. For the only pandas. Okay, making new lows, but I'm assuming trading range is starting to form here. Jason, wait, am I Panda? No. Your name would be green if you were. The sometimes I say PA is not possible to trade. Yeah, sometimes no. It's not that it's not possible to trade. You can trade it. It's just, is it worth it? And for me, when it's not worth it, it's not possible. And what I mean by that is, if the market starts to get very choppy, and your trading range is a small trading range, like less than 10 points on the Nascraq, it's not worth trading. Like for me, that is just it's just a waste of time. If you can't even make 10 points, and the thing is, with trading ranges, sometimes you got to have big stop losses, and it's like, is it worth it for 10 points? I don't know. I don't know. I'm assuming trading rate, but very least broad channel. At the very least, broad channel, right? Bulls made money here. Bears are making money. Both are making money here. So now you gotta wonder, is there opportunity for me to go short, and is there opportunity for me to go long? You have both in play now. Bears are swinging. Bulls are scalping. Okay, cool. Look at this. Like I said, trading range starting to form here. We got this big up, big down. Starting to show trading range. Also, this nasty price action here. Right, this was trading range for a while. It actually bounced up to the bottom of the trading range. This is what I see now with hindsight bias. Hey, let's make you scalp that like button. We're taking a break from our road to a million. We'll jump back on it tomorrow. Today we're gonna focus on TPT. TPT. Gosh, traffic bears are swinging. Does that excite you? If it does, you might have a problem. You might just have a problem if that excites you. I mean, from what I can tell, from what I could see, we may be in a position to start going short here. I can reload. If it looks different, I may have to reload. Top right of your screen, you can see what time frame I'm using. This guy's name is Price Action Trading. I wonder what. I wonder if he trades price action or not. I wonder. Three strong bull bars in a row. See my pause. What do I think about percentage? I think the 50% is good. 30% is good if you want to figure out when to go in or long, like short or long. Like the top 30%, you want to go short. Bottom 30%, you want to go long somewhere in there, and scale it and scalp. The 50% mark for me is a good goal. It's a good target to hit. If you got a good bounce off the bottom, it's a good target to hit. The 50% mark of the trading range. I don't see your full screen. Will you tell me why you don't see the full screen? I see the full screen. Get big up, big down, big up, big down. I wonder what's gonna happen now. These bare bars, look how vicious they look. Scary, making me love her. I want to go long here. Eh, making new lows, lower highs. And we're still in a very vicious downtrend. For sure. But bulls are making money, right? They're scalping now. They're somehow finding some opportunity to make money here. Incredible. That's right. Do I think Al trades prop firms? It's such a good question. No, it's not even a good question. It's a silly question, but it's just fun to think about. Al Brooks using proppers and he has like millions of dollars. You know what? If he does, it just shows, it just testifies to how good of ROI it is to trade prop firms, regardless of how much money you have. Like, if you can trade prop firms and reduce your amount of risk that you have, why not trade prop firms? It's just like, that's just a simple thing. It's just the math. Astro. Oh, I would love to see it. Al Brooks crashing out. Does he even know how to crash out anymore? We call it here. We might end this at 10:45. It's starting to look a little sus, kind of like a trading range price action here. Or you can tell by the bulls and bears both making money here. It's kind of confusing because if we keep trying to go short, it's not necessarily a good thing here at this point because the swings are kind of big going back up. Yeah, the pullbacks are big now. Bulls keep making money when new lows are created now, as you can tell. Bulls are making money. Every new low's created. They've been scalping out. Yes, I enjoy Al's breakdown from a macro point of view. Yeah, he does like a yearly price action analysis. It's kind of cool. Isn't there Al Brooks in person? There was a trader who would like pretend he's Michael Chin. He would pretend that he's like Pats. He would pretend he's Al Brooks. Pretend they're Warren Buffett. They would always pretend to just jump on this train. It was the good old days, the golden years. I'll call them the golden years of the stream. We used to have a grand old time. All the trolls. I thought it was hilarious. Michael Chin. They like changed their thumbnail and everything, so it actually looks like a Jerome Powell sometimes. Why not? Am I gonna find a trade here? I don't know. I really don't know here. Bull's not making as much money as they used to in their pullbacks now. I think I'm gonna save some powder in the keg for post FOMC. I recommend you guys to do the same. In fact, I recommend you guys not trade FOMC at all because 90% of you guys will bust your accounts today just purely trading FOMC volatility. It's too crazy. It's so crazy. It's just so insane, the FOMC volatility. The thing is, they create good setups, but they don't work out. That's like the volatility, FOMC volatility, is crazy. We're up 895. Not the worst days, not the best days. You lose some, you win some. As long as the outcome is income. You know what I mean, Panis? I might as well try, right? I might as well try here. I might as well try. I mean, I might as well. I'm him. I'm him. Hmm. Hmm. Second entry long. A second entry short, maybe. Forming here. I might as well. Second entry short. Give it to me. Count to Papa. Give me the second entry short. Want a full send on the second entry short? Maybe. Might be fun. Might be fun for the stream. Last trade. Full send, second entry short. If we get one. Full send, second entry short. Pandas. Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers right here. Full send, second entry short. Thoughts and prayers. Of course they wouldn't give me it. Market's too scared to give it to me. The market's too scared to give me the second entry short because it knows I'm going to just absolutely destroy it if we do. Very close to this potential support here. Darn it, we didn't get it. I wanted it so badly, the second entry short. Instead, we get this first entry. Darn, makes a new low. Gonna test this area here. Basically trying to, I mean, once we break below here, gap fill is just clearly in sight. Clearly in sight now, the gap fill. Darn. I mean, I wanted that second entry short, but we never got it. I was about to full send out the second entry short as well. Goodness gracious, I was gonna full send it. Telling you, Panda, I was gonna full send. Don't I take trades sometimes? Yeah, I do, but if I'm anticipating a second to short, I'd rather take it on the second to short, you know what I mean? Especially on a full send. Like, I want to take 15 contracts. I want to trade 15 contracts on my TPT accounts. AK says, nice. Al spoke about about his trading methods, but I asked him if clearly called out his trades, and he said he did not, but gave strong hints on his long and short trades. Yeah, he does. He'll give you both sides, but when he's like talking about it, it's kind of like obvious what he thinks is going to really happen. I mean, he's wrong sometimes. He'll just do analysis. Sometimes he's wrong, straight up. But sometimes he's so accurate, it's scary. That's the thing about price action trading. Sometimes you are just reading it like a children's book. So it just like feels like Dr. Seuss reading the price action sometimes. Sometimes it's kind of like you're reading War and Peace. Do I want to full send it now? The problem is that the 5 minutes actually bouncing off this area here. Basically, it's the low of this day. It was a low of 2 days ago. to fill the gap. I mean, we probably will fill the gap today just because we're close to it already. Might as well fill it. Might as well kind of fill it, right? Might as well do it while you're down here. So the full send here, I don't think I can do because we are showing a potential bounce. Oh, so I still need that laptop, just need to pass TPT. I think you can do it. If not today, then some other time. Holy! Every time a new low is created, bulls are scalping, right? Let me show you exactly what they're doing. They are buying at the low here. If they're buying at the break of this pivot low, they scalped. Exactly how much? 11 points. They bought this low here. They scalped this point. A little more than 10 points. Same thing here. They bought this low. They scalped 6 points. And if they say they didn't get the scalp they wanted, they scaled in right here. And then they came out with some bamboo. Here, traders bought in. They scalped 14 points this time. This time they're scalping even more, 16 points. So every single time we made a new low, you can see that the bulls have made money, essentially. The bulls are showing strength. Bears are showing weakness. I could click on these stupid things. Ninja Trader is so finicky sometimes. All right, so here we are, top of this channel now, with like a bajillion bull bars in a row. Should I just go short here? Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers here. I accidentally traded 15 contracts, which have been great actually now if I think about it. It would have been great if I just kept it. Oh my gosh, it would have been great if I just kept that. I had 15 contracts accidentally traded. Wow, it would have been great if I just held. It went right through my order, didn't fill me. It would have been great if I just held. I accidentally had 15 contracts traded. And I would have been an amazing trade if I just held it. Wow. Sick trade if I held. But I obviously I didn't. I saw it myself. I saw it and I was like, oh gosh, I gotta get out just in case. Because I was trading against one, two, three, four, five, six bull bars in a row. I was trading against it, so I was like, all right, this is not like the best full send, to be honest. All right. I think we're gonna end it. I'm gonna see if I get a second to short here. If I don't get a second to short here, and then I'm ending it. I'm landing it. What was the most contracts in one trade? I mean, max I can do is 15 contracts with TBT, so 15. It's a max contracts you can trade with any TBT account. It's the biggest TBT account you can have. All right, let's trade. Let's make some bamboozis. Little gap here, probably will fail soon. If not now. These are prayers. 4 contracts. Let's try. The signal bar, lower high, with trend. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's get ready to rumble or get rumbled. You know what I mean? One of the two right now. Traps here, so be it. Second just short, looking for a new low, at least with this push down. Maybe looking for a new high with this push down. Who knows? This signal bar to go short beneath the 20 EMA. To get you short, lower high. You can also say this trend line was also tested here. I think I could scale in, but eh, not that big of a deal if this gets me here. It will be a big deal if I scale in and I'm wrong. Then it's a big deal. Like, should I scale in? Here's a question. Problem is, where will I scale in? It's gonna be hard to choose. Okay. No. I'll just take the hit. Win or lose. Last trade of the stream. Last trade of the stream, pandas. Win or lose. Here it is. Get ready. No, I don't know. You know what? I'll take the hit. I'll re-enter again up here. How about that? One time. I'd rather just take the hit and then re-enter higher. Thinking it'll probably come to this high if it were to break out here. Oh, pandas. When you make mistakes, you lean into them. I mean, if you give this to me, I might even full send this one right here. Jeez, couldn't move it. Couldn't move it. Uh-oh. That's not good. I'm telling you right now, that is not good. We have potential huge move, and now it's reversing big time. That's not good, pandas. That is not a good sign. That's a really bad sign, but my risk is so small, I don't even care. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? I lose 600 bucks. Well, that's not worst that could happen. If it doesn't break down here, I'm not interested anymore. We're in this trade for too long. Like, I need it to break down now. Like, if it reverses here, I'm just not interested anymore. Yeah, if it reverses here, I'm just not interested. Like, what's the point of staying in this trade? If it reverses here, it's just not something I'm interested in anymore. But if it does push down, we are making some serious bamboo soon. We can get this to push down like at least 10 points. Yeah, at least 10. A new low. But if it reverses here, I'm not interested anymore. Oh, I mean, it is what if it reverses, I'm not interested anymore. At that point, like, do I really want to see what happens? Not really. Like at that point, do I really want to see what happens? Absolutely not. Like I do not care. Like it's already one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10 bars waiting for this, to work out. And it's just the more bars there are, the more 50-50 it becomes, which means the less likely it becomes. But clearly we need the 20 MA, so maybe this is the push down now. Fortunately, it shakes me up. I mean, it's just what can I say? Like you got like 40,000 overlapping bars in a row. I don't like to stay in when it's like that. I do not like to stay in when it's like that. And this might be the move down. I mean, I might have missed it. It is what it is. Whatever. I care less. Makes a new low. I guess I should have stayed in, but man, I was not interested. After one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11 overlapping bars. I'm just not interested anymore in the trade whatsoever. And you know, half the time that will save you. Half the time that will prevent you from losing. Half the time will prevent you from winning. But it is what it is. All right, Pants. I think that's all I can muster up today. That's it's starting to get very let's say two-sided. So Pandas, don't forget FOMC at 2 o'clock. Use code BBM for 80% off Apex, 40% off TPT with no activation fee. And don't forget, TPT is literally 1 day payouts, no consistency rules. Like I can pull this money out today if I'm beyond my buffer. Right? You got a safety net of the threshold, which is the same amount as the threshold for these accounts is 4,500. So anything above that, you can literally pull out today and get the money in your bank account by tomorrow, like in your bank account by tomorrow. So, am I sure tomorrow? Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be here tomorrow, same time. Panis, with that being said, great to see you guys. Thanks for joining. And we're up 1,000. I'll take it. I'll take 1,000. It's not the worst day. But Pandas, just be careful at OMC. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow. So, as always, I'm sure you bless. Bye.